Hello and welcome to MG Studies. Today we will discuss about Amazon S3 static websites option. So what is static website in Amazon S3 and what is the difference between static website and dynamic website, and how we can create how we can enable static website in Amazon S3. We'll see all those features. So first we'll go what is static website in Amazon S3. So you can use Amazon S3 to host a static website. On a static website, individual web page includes static content. They might also contain client-side scripts. In many cases, we do not require a dynamic website where data changes very frequently. For example, suppose you publish technical articles on SQL Server. It is a static website as user open the website and read the content. So now we'll check for the difference between static website and a dynamic website. So in the static website, the content remains same until the administrator, the website host, the website host don't change the code, the coding of the website. But in dynamic website, this doesn't happen. It's server side and client side, both side interactable. In dynamic websites, there might be a option to perform any activity. There might be option to upload any image or any video or any content. There might be options of any entertainment thing, any knowledgeable thing. So you by clicking any option you can got any reward, anything. So in the dynamic website, this much things you can perform any activity which is interactive with either server side or the user side. These websites come in the dynamic website. So the static websites are like a news article or any article you want to publish which did not change for a long time, which didn't change for the long time. So they are called static website. But in dynamic websites, you can take a social media platform. You can take a YouTube itself is a dynamic website. And there are so many examples of dynamic website in the current time. Most probable websites are dynamic. Yeah, now we'll go for the static website in Amazon S3, that how we can enable a static website option. So to enable it, as you know, in our previous videos we created a S3 bucket, my MJ study 1234. If you don't know how to create a bucket, or if you don't know that how to configure the bucket, then you can check the video in the I button. I'll put the video in the I button, so you can check over there. Now after this, as you also know that we enabled versioning in our previous video. So if you also don't have idea that how we can perform the versioning, then you can check the previous video. I'll also give that video in the I button, so you can check both the videos in the I button. Now what we'll do, as our versioning is enabled and the bucket is created successfully, so we'll upload our code. So yeah, before uploading the code, what we'll do, we'll go for properties. Now here in the properties you found in the last static website hosting, just you need to go to edit and just click on enable. Once you enable the static website hosting, you are asking for the hosting type. So either you want to put it static website host a static website, or redirect request for an object. Either you can choose that this host website, this link, this static website link URL should be redirect to any object or any link. You can do that also. So you can also put the name, that what is the homepage name. So in general cases it is index.html. You can put any of the name, welcome.html, hello.html, and any name you want you can put it. If you have any error document, then just put the error document. In general cases it is a error.html. You can put any of the name as per your preference. Here you found redirections rule, so you can also set it's a JSON code. You can define the JSON code, that what rules should be applied to this website, how this website redirects, how this website runs, and all those. You can perform any permissions and all those. You can set a rules over here. Yeah, by the clicking on save button, you can just we can just save the configuration. Yeah, now you can check that the website is hosted successfully and we got the URL. So this is a bucket URL. Currently we don't have any object present in our bucket. So when we open this bucket, we found the error that forbidden access denied, no object found, kind of error document. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll upload the code. Now to upload a code, you know how we upload the files and folders in the S3 bucket. So you know that to upload to add a file, just click on add a file. To add a folder, just click on add a folder. So we are uploading the file, add a file, index.html, which we created, which we already created. Yeah, just upload the file directly. our file uploaded successfully. Now we'll just check for this file. Just refresh the URL, and you know that currently still this error occurs. So what is the issue? As we know that there is a permission issue with this. It always asks us if the bucket ownership is for this account only. So we need to change it to everyone, that everyone from the world can read this URL, read the content from this URL. So yeah, I understand. And now save changes. Now I just make a refresh, and now you see that our web page is loading with the URL which is provided by the static website. And if we don't enable static website, then also we can access this index.html, but in that case the object URL, this URL comes up with index.html, the page name. Here you found that there is no page name. Either you put index.html, which is also open the same page, or you can go with directly with this. So you can find that in the both cases same page opens, same the web page open. Now I'll show you that if we disable the website S3 that website hosting, static website hosting. So when we disable it, yeah, just disabling it. Save changes. Yeah, now I disabled my website hosting. Just check for it. Yeah, disabled. Now we'll go and check for the URL. The URL doesn't contain index.html. What happened when this is not? So what we got error message 404 not found. The page not found. It means when we disable the static website content, we need to give the file name, what file we need to open in the S3 bucket. Now you found that our website is, just a second, index.ht. Yeah, just a second, need to change the URL, because the URL as we know that we disable the website hosting, and this website is for this URL is for website. And now yeah, you found that we need to give the index.html, and without index.html this website gives an error. Yeah, so this is the how we can configure the S3 static website. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. Please like, share and subscribe MJ Studies. Goodbye.